Logging into the Sharp app. Before trying to log into the new Sharp app, please make sure you have created a new account. You cannot log in with your Follow My Health account or your old Sharp account. If you have created your new Sharp app account, then there are a few different ways to log into the Sharp app. For our first time, we're going to enter the username and password that we selected during account creation. If you used a password manager, look for the username and password you saved for app.sharp.com. Now, let's tap the Sign In button to begin our app experience. During the first login, you'll be asked if you want to allow the Sharp app to send you notifications, access your location data, and enable Bluetooth services. The Sharp app uses this data to provide you with the best experience possible. For example, push notifications will provide you with important updates on appointments and test results directly from the app. You will also be asked to opt in to text notifications. This is another way to ensure that you receive important updates in a timely and convenient way. If you experienced any issues logging in, please carefully check each character in your username and password. Also note, if you set up two-factor authentication, you may receive a code via text or email each time you try to access your account. This is different from the activation code from SignUp. To make your future login experience a little simpler, you can enable a passcode or biometric login, like fingerprint or Face ID. You should see a notification at the top of your home screen. Select this item to launch your settings screen. Here you can set your login preferences. Let's see how this works with Face ID. I have enabled the setting and will sign out of my current session to test the feature. Now, I can quickly and securely access my account without entering my username and password.